Yo Homies, da sind wir wieder. Und zwar bei GTA San Andreas. So, jetzt holen wir uns erst einmal das Gate ab. Ha? Achso. Gut. Ja, wir haben da eine Mission. Und sonst haben wir keine. Ja, dann würde ich sagen, gehen wir da rein.
This is when we show the ballers what banging is all about.
Yeah, that's right.
Grove Street is king. Say it with me, niggas. Grove Street is king.
Grove Street is king.
What's up, CJ? Where you been?
Hey, sorry, bro. I got caught up.
Yeah, you probably was hitting one of them baller rats. Yeah, I know what you was up to, nigga.
Yeah, you know it.
Listen up. Y'all down with CJ, right?
Yeah, sure.
He's been through a lot. I mean, we all been through a lot. But CJ's helping us clean up the hood. He's taking the fight to the enemy.
Yeah.
Showing all of us how he used to bang.
Yeah.
What it used to mean to be a Grove Street family.
Yeah.
CJ, you my brother. My running dog. I should have never doubted you.
It's nothing.
But you're home now, partner.
Yeah, that's right.
Home.
For sure.
Listen up. I want all y'all to go get heated and meet me downtown under the Mulholland intersection. We gonna roll on these baller motherfuckers.
All right.
I see y'all in traffic.
Yeah, let's roll.
Yeah, for sure. You in?
Hell yeah, I'm in. I'm your running dog, sweet.
Yeah, my nigga. All right, you go get heated up, and I'll meet you at the crossroads.
Hey,
Hey, CJ, it's Caesar, man.
I'm kind of busy now. Something big going down.
Essie, I gotta see you, Holmes. Tell you something.
Look, if it's about Kendall, don't worry. We cool, all right?
No, CJ, you gotta come and see something. Something important, eh?
Well, it's gonna have to wait.
This can't wait, Holmes. If I tell you, you won't believe it, Essie, I swear.
Okay. I got about 5, so it better be good. Where you at?
I'm under the freeway, north side of Vernon Plus.
So, also wir haben was Großes vor mit unseren Homies. Aber bevor wir das machen, sollen wir mal beim CJ vorbeischauen. Ah, nicht beim CJ, beim Caesar. Okay, jetzt brauchen wir erstmal ein Fahrzeug. Hoppala. Ja, dann fahren wir mal schnell um. Mal schauen, was der zum Song hat, der Typ. Und wir lauschen wieder den Klängen des 8-Bit-Universums. So, wir fahren wieder da die Abkürzung. Und machen gleich mal ein paar Ballers platt. Und nehmen die Knarren mit. Können wir bestimmt noch brauchen, weil jetzt dann irgendwas Großes ansteht, wie gesagt. So, von heute aus fahren wir mal da, 4. Ach, wir sind schon da, gut. Da heißt irgendwas mit The Green Saber. Steig in den Wagen, der in dem Durchgang zu finden ist. Der da? Okay.
So you dragged me way across town to see what?
Just in time, ese. Take a good hard look over there.
So, some ballers hanging around a dope spot. So what?
Just watch, homie.
What the fuck? Oh, no. Shit, Smoke, what you into?
Shh, that's it. Look at that ride.
That's the motherfucking Green Saber. Shit, Smoke? Crash making you sell us out? Moms!
Sorry, ese. I heard a rumor and poked around. I didn't believe it myself, but...
Nah, you did the right thing. I owe you, C's. I gotta go tell Sweet about... Oh, fuck! Sweet! Look, go get Kendall and take her to a safe place.
What you thinking?
It's Sweet. I think him and the homies is walking into a trap. Just go. Go!
Der Ort des Hinterhalts. Halt, wir brauchen ein Auto. Da haben wir es. Und wir müssen uns jetzt beeilen. So, ab geht's. Also Smoke und der Honor, der Rider. Wo ist der Rider? Ich weiß gar nicht.
Damn it, Sweet. Pick up. Pick up.
Hey, what's up? You call me, but I ain't pick it up. So leave a message after the...
Shit.
Und der ist unter Beschuss, oder wie? Vor allem wieder Energieoption. Also, Beeilung ist jetzt endlich auch gesagt. Da vorne sind's. So, ich eile.
Hey, Sweet, you alright? You been hit.
CJ, where you been?
Caesar called, show me some shit. It's Smoke. He in deep with 10 penny and some ballers. He sold us out.
It doesn't matter, man. You gotta get out of here. The cop's gonna ride in a second.
Nah, man, I ain't running out on my brother. Yo, boss, I'm taking you, motherfucker. You hear me? I'm taking you all down, bitches.
So, Deckung geh. Und wir sind auch nicht so gut drauf. Wer trifft uns da die ganze Zeit? Hoppala. Ach, jetzt kennen wir noch mehr, ne? So, der ist erledigt. Jetzt pass auf. Jetzt kann ich gerade gar nicht so viel erzählen, weil wir uns da konzentrieren müssen. Da jetzt voll um. Ach, da kommen wir noch welche.
You got a bag over your head, boy. How you feel about that?
Man, take it off. Please, man. I can't breathe. Please.
Oh, all right. But only because you said please.
You fucking sick motherfucker.
Intimidate those who intimidate others, Carl. It's my job. Right, Ed?
Yeah. Hey, man. Where we at?
The middle of fucking nowhere. Nice, clean air.
Fucking Smoke. Oh, Sweet.
Sweet is alive. Alive and inside. He's in a prison hospital, being treated for gunshot wounds. Awaiting trial.
Yeah. Somehow nobody's caught you yet.
Oh, yeah. You should be glad, Carl. Your moron brother's alive. Your street trash soon-to-be turned-out sister's alive. And she's only sucking one greaseball's dick. Things are going pretty well for you, Carl. So behave, nigga.
We want you to do a little favor for us, Carl.
I can't believe that nigga Smoke turned on me.
Smoke? Smoke does exactly what he's told. He learned that lesson a long time ago.
Damn, man. Take it
Yeah,
easy.
homies for life? Street loyalty? That's all bullshit, Carl. Didn't you learn that when they ran you out of town just because you let Brian die? Huh? Eddie, I can't deal with this guy. He's an idiot.
Let me air this fucker out.
No, officer. For once, let's let the kid do something good with his useless life. He's gonna help us with the fight against crime. Right, Carl?
Yeah, by any means necessary.
Now you stay the fuck away from Smoke and stay the fuck away from us. Otherwise, Sweet's gonna find himself on a baller's block getting in touch with his feminine side. Hey, Hernandez, you gonna
Come
piss
here.
all day?
Get your hands off me, man.
For some reason, we've got a little problem with a former friend of ours. He seems to disagree with some of our methods.
No, who could do that?
Yeah, you'll never find anybody as fork-tongued as this snake-ass bastard. Soon as he gets caught with his hand in the cookie jar, he'll whistle any tune Internal Affairs wants him to.
See, they got him hiding up Mount Chiliad someplace, so they can manipulate his testimony any way they want to.
I want you to pay him a little visit, Carl, and destroy all his evidence before he testifies.
Sort this out, Carl, so Officer Tenpenny can sleep easy at night.
Man,
We want evidence he ain't gonna talk.
Gut, wir haben einen neuen Auftrag. Haben wir den jetzt schon oder müssen wir erst da um? So, wir könnten uns erst einmal etwas Energie besorgen. Haben wir denn auch ein Fahrzeug? Da hinten wird was. Da können wir speichern, ganz gut. Dann hätte sie das schon mal geregelt mit der Energie. Aber wir kannten etwas Energie vertrauen. Wie gesagt, erst einmal ein Fahrzeug. So, außer du. So, und jetzt...
you out your mind?
Und jetzt haben wir da Ammunition, da hinten ist.
You ever hear of a shower?
Was ist denn das für Benehmen?
It's all fresh out of the crate.
Gut, wir brauchen eine Schutzwesten. Die kostet 200. Gut, Geld haben wir erst einmal nur.
Professional.
Dann glaube ich, kann man noch eine Schrotflintenvertragung. Und zwar nehmen wir die normale. Und die kostet 600.
Wise choice, sir. Wise choice. I didn't sell you this.
Dann nehmen wir jetzt einfach mal 3 Mal genau.
The revolution is coming.
Genau, die Revolution kommt. So, und jetzt fahren wir nochmal da 4. Okay, mal schauen, was wir jetzt da haben. Badlands.